History of Maruti Suzuki 800. The Maruti 800 is a city car that was manufactured by Maruti Suzuki in India from 1983 to 2014. The first generation was based on the 1979 Suzuki Alto and had an 800cc F8B engine, hence the moniker. Widely regarded as the most influential automobile in India, about 2.87 million 800s were produced during its course, of which 2.66 million were sold in India itself. Produced for 31 years, the Maruti Suzuki 800 remains the second longest production car in India, next only to Hindustan Ambassador. In the 1980s and early 1990s, the name Maruti was synonymous with the Maruti Suzuki 800. It remained the best-selling car in India until 2004, when the Maruti Suzuki Alto took the title. It was also exported to a number of countries in South Asia, including Nepal, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, and was also available in Morocco and selected European markets, often sold as the Suzuki Maruti. In an elaborate ceremony held in New Delhi on 14 December 1983, the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi handed over keys of the very first car to Mr. Harpal Singh, son of Haridas Singh, who won the ownership rights through a lucky draw. The original 800 was based on the Suzuki Fronte SS80, but a modernized aerodynamic version using the body of the second generation Alto was presented in late 1986. The introduction of this car did revolutionize the automotive industry in India. Right from its inception, it was considered as the first affordable people's car, the first modern era front-wheel drive and high-speed small contemporary vehicle, and the only reasonably modern car available in India. The incumbent mainstay, Hindustan Ambassador and Premier Padmini, being based on long obsolete 1950s designs. The delivery was against bookings done directly with Maruti Udyog Limited, a Government of India undertaking. The prospective owner would then have to wait for almost 3 years after booking till delivery. Such extended waiting times gave rise to some people indulging into black marketing and earning premiums as much as 40%. Cars produced during the early years were essentially Suzuki OEM components imported from Japan and merely assembled by Maruti Udyog Limited at Gurgaon plant. Exports to neighboring countries commenced in 1987 and were followed by a shipment of 500 cars to Hungary, with the first car arriving on 24th October 1987. Soon exports to Czechoslovakia and Yugoslavia followed, two other markets with less restrictive homologon requirements than Western Europe. After success there and in spite of Suzuki's objection, Maruti Suzuki tackled more competitive markets and entered France in 1989, the Netherlands in 1990, followed by England, Malta and Italy. In markets where Japanese cars had a quota, the 800 was sold as a Maruti, with all mention of Suzuki carefully removed. Even the manuals were revised so as not to fall foul of the quota requirements. The 800 continued to be sold in Italy and other Western European markets until 2004, when it could no longer be made to meet emissions and safety equipment. The Maruti Suzuki had never been equipped with seat belts until exports began, meaning that such parts originally had to be imported from Japan to be fitted to export market cars. As with everything related to building left-hand drive cars, the Maruti also got its first catalytic converter to meet European requirements. The cleaner 35 PS version first arrived in August 1992 and was originally reserved for Europe. Maruti Suzuki had begun a phase out of Maruti Suzuki 800 beginning in April 2010. Maruti Suzuki did not have plans to upgrade it to Euro 4 or BS4 emission norms. Starting in April 2010, Maruti halted sales of the car in 13 major cities, the 4 metros of Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and 9 other cities including Kanpur, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Ahmedabad, Agra and Surat, where the law made it mandatory for the vehicles sold to be Euro 4 compliant. Another reason cited was the relatively outdated models' declining sales. Maruti Suzuki 800 sales were down by 3.7% in April 2010 when compared with April 2009. Total sales of Maruti Suzuki 800 were 33,028 for the period April 2009 to March 2010. The Indian automobile industry is the 7th largest in the world, with an annual production of over 4 million vehicles and exports of about 600,000. In 2009, India emerged as Asia's 4th largest exporter of automobiles, behind Japan, South Korea and Thailand. The last Maruti Suzuki 800 was rolled off the production line on 18 January 2004. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for further notifications.